okay, yeah. Yeah, great, yeah. That's everything.
3 hours total riding for you today. 3 hours riding. Good, Jack.
Goodbye, 43. You served us well.
Well, I wouldn't say that.
Give me a wave.
Not quite as calm, but... Woo!
Wow. Gorgeous. Oh, and the real switchbacks now. Oh my god.
Wow. You can't park there, mate.
Gorgeous road. Gonna take you here. I will, however, stop just after this, right? thanks very much. We made it though, to here. Yeah, we're like, geez, that fucking bridge. Oh, there's wires. Goodbye, bridge. I love you, bridge.
Right through.
Oh. That is lovely. Break away from the rain.
Hold on. Enjoy that.
Loved it. Whoa. Back to the rain. My God. Head to the right. It's a rather impressive road.
Oh my God.
Breathtaking. Yeah. Finally. It's amazing. Not in this lane. Wonder if it's a seasonal thing where they just don't let anybody into the 80 lane until.
I think those are just speed, only those are for lanes.
Really?
Yeah.
I think they're lanes.
I don't think they had any indication of lanes. It just had the vehicle underneath it.
Ah, maybe. $70 down there. You go over there, I think you'll be doing a lot more than 70.
Yeah, to get there.
You think you'll hit terminal velocity if you go down there. So nice when you get a glimpse of it through the trees. That is gorgeous. And another tunnel.
Oh, yeah, the tires there, you know.
Where is it?
Ready?
Yeah, boy. Let's do this. It. This is it.
Yeah.
Underground car park.
Can you go in?
It's closed
How do you know?
because there's a big shutter across it.
Maybe it's automatic. I don't know. The Airbnb said there's street parking. I nearly slipped and dropped.
How you feeling?
I don't want to talk about that right now.
Back to the bikes. We made it to Montpellier, and yeah, I'm gonna go out and get some food now. I'm gonna hop on the tram and go on in and have a look around the city itself. Jack isn't feeling very good. He's not feeling very well, unfortunately. So I'm gonna go in and have a look myself. No idea where the fuck I am, but waiting for these lights to change. Come on. Ah, look, direction Sabine's. 10 minutes. 10 minutes! Alright, guess I'll wait here for 10 minutes. This machine does not give change.
Oh! Buy a ticket.
Pickpockets. One voyage. Oh. Ooh! There's the map. I think I'm like somewhere here. Ah, I'm Charles de Gaulle. There it is. There it is. First place I seen has I think it's Sambo's. 3+1. What? Is it still open? Still is open. Oh yeah. What is that thing? Damn. He hasn't got any English. Great, yeah? Yeah, great, yeah. That's everything. It's got a load of croissants and some cake thing. I've no idea what it is, I'm gonna eat it now. But, here we are. This thing is like a gooey, it's like a cheesecakey thing, like, kind of like the insides of a Portuguese tart. It's very cold and gooey. Meant to eat, I don't know what it even is, but it's delicious. Look at that. I stopped to look at that, but in the distance there you see a harp. Must be the Irish pub. Let's go in and get the presidential welcome. Right. Your man gave me 4 croissants instead of 3. Sound. Wow. Look at that. I think the Irish pub's in there somewhere. $7.80 for a pint of Guinness. That's actually not even a pint, it's a 50cl, so a little bit less than a pint. What am I doing looking for Guinness for in Montpellier anyway? They have an Arc de Triomphe here. Whoa. Look at that. Arc de Triomphe. I'm gonna take a photo on my phone. Some mad movies. I'm tired, I want to go to bed. Just walking back to the Airbnb now after being out. I'm tired, it's been a long day since I woke up in that tent. Freezing, full moon. I'm gonna go over and have a look at the bikes before I go back up to the apartment, and then I'm gonna get some shut-eye, do it all again tomorrow. the Mediterranean.
We did it.
We did it. Now we gotta go home.